When a person has an abscess, there are many essential oils that can help. Besides helping to reduce pain, aromatherapy has other benefits as well, including support for the immune system. However, not all essential oils are effective for abscess treatment. You should always read the label before using a product, as there are some that can actually cause side effects. Read on to learn which essential oil is best for an abscess. What are essential oils? A few essential oils have antiseptic properties and are effective in treating a dental abscess. They draw out infection and bacteria, helping the abscess heal. Learn how to use essential oils for an abscess below. For an easy and effective remedy, try an essential oil cold compress. Place the compress in the freezer for about 20 minutes. Apply it to the infected area for 5 to 10 minutes twice a day. The oil should be diluted before applying it to the affected area. When applying it to the skin, be sure to dilute it with a carrier oil. Never apply undiluted essential oil to the face, eyes, or ears. Wash off the excess oil with warm water afterward. It's also important to note that some essential oils can cause an allergic reaction. However, if you are allergic to a particular essential oil, you should dilute it with a carrier oil before applying it to your skin. Tea tree. This oil is an antibacterial and has antifungal properties. Tea tree is effective against a number of skin conditions and can also fight off bacterial infections, such as MRSA. It is also effective against head and neck congestion and is used to treat boils and other skin conditions. It can be applied to the affected area to help it heal and relieve the discomfort associated with infection. However, make sure to test essential oils on a small area first. Tea tree oil is another essential oil for skin abscess. It can help fight infection and soothe the pain caused by an abscess. Its antibacterial properties enable it to treat a variety of infections and fungi. Moreover, some oils are anti-inflammatory and can fight off yeast and markings. Its antibacterial properties make it ideal for people with allergies to antibiotics. While the use of essential oils is not recommended for serious bacterial infections, a few drops of these natural oils can help reduce the pain associated with an abscess. It can be diluted or applied directly to the infected area. Essential oils are effective for abscess and are safe when used according to the recommended care regime and hygiene practices. A few drops of essential oil mixture mixed with a carrier oil can be applied to the infected area 2 to 3 times a day. Properties of essential oils. There are many benefits of essential oils for the treatment of abscess. These powerful oils can help draw out the infection, which can be accompanied by fever and swollen lymph nodes. Some oils are also effective for reducing pain caused by an abscess, tooth, or boil. Essential oils are used to treat a number of ailments including abscesses, boils, and toothaches. The essential oil of Helichrysum italicum can reduce phlegm and reduce swellings caused by bacteria. Helichrysum has antifungal properties and can help fight a fungus called Candida. Helichrysum is a widely used oil in aromatherapy. It is also effective at inhibiting the growth of Candida. The oil is effective in curing infections caused by Candida albicans. The properties of essential oils are effective against many pathogens, including antibiotic-resistant strains of Staphylococcus aureus and E. coli. When used in combination with antibiotics, essential oils can kill the infection and reduce the number of antibiotics required. Several essential oils such as lavender and cinnamon were shown to kill E. coli while reversing the resistance to the antibiotic piperacillin. Tea tree oil contains antibacterial and antifungal compounds that help fight infection. Its antimicrobial properties make it effective in curing boils and treating underlying infections. Its camphoraceous smell soothes the skin and refreshes the surrounding area. Other essential oils with high antibacterial properties include rosemary, orange, and peppermint. They are also useful for easing irritated skin, reducing inflammation, and soothing the stomach. If you are using essential oils for abscess treatment, make sure to dilute them with a carrier oil. Because essential oils contain high concentrations of compounds, they should be applied only after carefully testing their safety. You can apply essential oil directly to the affected area, or dilute it with a carrier oil like jojoba, castor, or olive oil. However, you should be careful to dilute essential oils before using them on your child's skin. Eucalyptus essential oil is another option. It is inexpensive and easy to use and is popular for its strong clearing qualities. Eucalyptus leaves have a naturally sweet scent, but when distilled, the oil turns brisk and camphoraceous. This essential oil was originally planted in the Yunnan mountain region of southern China. To produce it, distillers used small pieces of wood to create steam. Cause of abscess: if you suspect that you have an abscess, you should see a doctor right away. The infection will trigger your body's immune system to begin fighting it. The body releases white blood cells and other chemicals to fight the infection. As a result, tissue cells die, and a cavity forms. This pus fills the cavity, and it becomes larger as the infection continues. Treatment for an abscess varies depending on what caused the infection in the first place. If an abscess is in the nasal sinuses, it can spread to the brain and liver, and it can spread to other organs. When abscesses occur in other parts of the body, they can rupture and enter the abdominal cavity. A visit to a doctor is necessary for proper diagnosis. Surgical treatment is the most effective method for treating abscesses. There are many complications associated with self-treatment. You may have to endure septic complications or cosmetic deformities. In the event that you have a wound or cut, it is important to take extra care to keep it clean and dry. A warm compress can relieve pain, but larger abscesses may require draining at a doctor's office. You may be prescribed antibiotics, which are usually used in people with weakened immune systems and those with whole body symptoms like fever. Your doctor will likely take a sample of pus from the abscess to determine the type of bacteria that caused it. Abscesses are primarily caused by bacterial infection. As a result, white blood cells attack the invading bacteria and cause a hole in the tissue. When the hole is filled with pus, it contains bacteria, dead tissues, and white blood cells. Smaller abscesses may drain naturally and dry up on their own without treatment. The infection may be related to another medical condition, such as a virus or an infection. In addition to bacterial infections, some foreign materials, like bacteria, can cause an abscess. When this occurs, your immune system will begin to respond by drawing large quantities of white blood cells and increasing the flow of blood to the area. In addition, healthy tissue forms an abscess wall, which prevents the pus from spreading and attacking other parts of your body. An abscess must be distinguished from an empyema, which is an accumulation of pus in a pre-existing anatomical cavity. Best essential oil for abscess. While most people hate to talk about abscesses, they are a common and often painful ailment. Other abscess-related conditions include boils, ingrown toenails, and oral wounds. Abscesses, like boils, are the result of an infection, and essential oils are effective remedies for these conditions. Both bacterial and fungal, abscesses form small pockets of pus underneath the skin. Peppermint essential oil is one of the most popular treatments for abscesses. It has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that may help the abscess heal itself. To apply this oil, dilute it in a carrier oil and apply it to the abscess with a cotton ball. Repeat this process 3 times a day. It may seem like an unorthodox remedy, but many people swear by it. Tea tree essential oil has many benefits and can help clear up a boil. Its anti-inflammatory properties make it an ideal choice for people with abscesses. It has antibacterial and antiseptic properties and is great for burns, bruises, and insect bites. It also soothes the skin and can prevent scarring. Frankincense is another great essential oil for boils, as it reduces inflammation and pain. To use essential oils on an abscess, you should first consult a doctor or education resource about safe usage. Medicinal-grade essential oils are available at health food stores, food co-ops, and online. Just be sure to buy only from trusted brands. It is important to double-check that the oil is of therapeutic grade because many makers use natural oils for everything, including essential oils. While they are generally safe for consumption, they can cause adverse reactions if ingested. Next, essential oil for baby congestion. Legal and medical disclaimer: information provided on the site is for educational purposes only, and does not substitute for professional medical advice. You must consult a medical professional or healthcare provider if seeking medical advice, diagnoses, or treatment. We do not provide any medical advice. Essential Oils Marketplace. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.